boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Quite a few of you who follow me and subscribe probably seen a couple of my videos in the garage, and you might have spotted this yellow kids quad. It's actually a Suzuki LT50 kids quad. I've had it about a year. I bought it when Jess was a little bit younger, and the plan was to just do it up and get it so we could start using it. I bought it off eBay. It had 2 bald back tyres, 2 of them flat. The lad did show me it running, but it just needed some love. It's a genuine Suzuki one, because they did like a Chinese copy, didn't they? It's a genuine Suzuki one. I don't know the age of it, so if any of you know how to work out how old it is, bang us a comment. But my plan is just to do it up, give it a clean, paint a few things. I think it needs one of the track rod ends on the steering doing. I need to get it to start and idle. The lad showed me it running, but once I got it home, I couldn't get it started at the time. So I need to get it to start and idle. I've stripped all the wheels down. I've blasted them and had them painted in a nice shade of grey with a 2-pack lacquer over. And then instead of messing around with the old tyres, I bought 4 new tyres and 4 new inner tubes. So at least that's right, like. But yeah, our Jess is at the she's like 3.5, she's nearly 4, so she's at the age where we can use this, so the plan is to do it up and get it running. I might do the fuel tank black. I've seen one in colours where it's like yellow plastics with like a black trim here, black tank, and a yellow rear guard. I've got the rear plastics. Yeah, they come out great, the wheels. Took a bit of work to get them blasted properly. And you know what, I'm glad I went for 4 new tyres, because they're all done now. 4 new tyres, 4 new inner tubes, and they all match, don't they? I took all the bolts off them and bead blasted and painted them silver, just to make them I don't know, a bit spammy. Needs a good clean, We gave it a quick clean when we first got it. I'd say I've had it for a while, I've had it in a while. You buy stuff, and I put it aside, and I just never had any time to touch it. You know what I mean? We're doing cars up, and to be honest, the channel, the YouTube channel takes a lot of time out of me. You know what I mean? Going to certain car meets and car shows and meeting people and stuff. You could do a new chain and sprocket, couldn't it, as well, Marta Escort just chilling out in the garage. I say the wheels come out great, you split them in half, so you have to take the air out the inner tubes, and they're like a split rim, 3 bolts, and you split the rim in half, break the bead. I had to take it to a mate who's got a tyre shop, he broke the bead for us on all 4. I took the rims away, had them bead blasted, and then he painted them in 2-pack paint, because I wanted them 2-pack paint, like a grey, with I wanted them lacquered as well. So he put 2-pack lacquer over, and they come out really great. Nice one, Joe Mitchell, for that lad. Good job. But I say, it's going to look great, I think. I'm just going to get a few little jobs doing, but it's going to be like a little restoration project, so I thought I'll throw it on the channel and let you see how we get on, I think it's going to be a nice contrast. I think I'll keep them plastics on for now, because our Jess is bound to damage them, aren't they? So yeah, the plastics have got a mad little, I don't know if it's the sunlight or what, it's got mad little shadings on it. I've tried 3G in it. That's where it had a trim over. You can see where that plastic's in better condition. But if any of you know if there's anything else I can try, I've tried 3G rubbing compound, but I haven't got a buffing, a buffing machine to buff it up. But if there's anything else you guys would suggest would be good at bringing it up. It's I don't know if it's a gel coat. I'm guessing it is a gel coat. It's not painted, it's a gel coat, isn't it? Yellow gel coat. Yeah, I think it's going to be good contrast with them colours, They look cute, don't they? I always wanted one of these when I was a kid. I've had a few in the past when I got a job and stuff. Bought them just to mess around and that, But I am a big kid at heart, and I want my kid to have everything I never had, you know what I mean? So let's get this plastic off. Take this off. Oh. as you can see, I've just bought a new air filter housing and air filter for it. Just needs a few bits taken off, painting up, cleaning up. I need a new like one of the, I think like a pull cord or the emergency pull cord. This quad's the type where you can actually walk right next to it. You know, with your child on it, and if he or she's going too fast, they have like a little handle here which you can pull, and it kills the quad. So it's even got the proper weight on the front. Yeah, here's an image of when I first bought it. So I don't plan on going balls out restoration where I'll take the whole thing apart. I'll just get it running right first, give it a good clean. There's a few things that are rusty. I might take them off and paint them like. But get it clean, get it running, get it cleaned. But I'll have to put the new wheels and tyres on there now, like. And use it for a bit, see how it goes. It might need, you know what I mean, it might need a piston or a full rebuild. I don't know how. When I get into it, like, I'll get some fresh petrol tomorrow and try and get it started. Maybe order a new spark plug, put the new airbox on. Does anyone got any base settings for the carb? Like, I don't know if you've got any. Give us a message on the comments here or on Instagram. Would be great. Like, got any base settings for the carb? I can start there, can't I? Plus, I've heard you can modify them. Like, there's some sort of like piece in the exhaust, isn't it? That makes them go slower. So, any information, just drop us a message on Instagram. That'd be great. Or on the comments here, and I'll speak to you on here. So, just a little video, little projects I'm on. You know what I mean? As you can see, my RC car collection's going mad, isn't it? So, just getting a little bit obsessed with certain things, like. So I've actually got every model they did, Tamiya in the Escort Cosworth. I've got the WRC one here. I just need a new chassis for it. So I've got everyone. I've got Michelin Pilot Sport, the Tiger one, the Repsol with the whale tail, and then I had one professionally made by a fella off the internet, because I wanted a Repsol with the WRC, you know, that one with the WRC spoiler on it, like. So, and then I've got a few Subaru Imprezas, Lancia Delta Integrale, you know what I mean? And I've just made a replica of my own Escort Cosworth, so I'll do a separate video on them, like. But yeah, if you like the video and you want to follow this through, give us a subscribe, give us a like, and if any of you have done anything like this, drop us a picture, drop us a message with a picture, like, that'll be awesome. See how yours turned out, like. Jess was dead excited when we first got her about a year ago. But she doesn't really know about it, so I'm going to do it up, make it look a bit tidier, and I might give it to her for Christmas, because I just bought it. She didn't know it was hers at the time, like, she's only a baby, isn't she? So Christmas is coming up soon, isn't it? So I might give it to her for Christmas, but I'll make it look a bit more tidy, like, spend a bit of time on it, a few nights, you know, like in the garage and stuff. Keeps you away from the missus, the moaning missus. You know, I mean, everyone's got a project, haven't they, or something to do in the garage, like. Alright guys, sound. I'll see you next time, see you on the next one. Take it easy, laters.